What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 21 Scat. Today we're going to be installing new ZL1 add-ons side splitters. Alright, so here we have the box we just received. I went with the ZL1 add-on version. They were a little bit more expensive, but I liked how they mounted using the metal hardware. They're not stuck on, there's no 3M tape. And I also have the ZL1 add-ons mud flaps, which I did another video on, and I will put the link right there so that you can check it out. So in the box, what you get is all of these brackets here. So it uses an Allen key style little screw, and then it's just going to mount right on your pinch weld and hold it in place. I believe there's about 5 per side. So we have the whole bag of those. Got our Allen key tools and then just the 2 side splitters here. So I wanted something just to make the side and rear of the car look a little bit more aggressive. I also did get a new rear diffuser, which I'll be doing another video on when I install that soon. So also it's going to help with the rock chips and debris that the wide tires are kicking up, and I do have new spacers for them as well. So I wanted to add on the splitters to add a little bit of protection and style. So without further ado, we got the car already up on a little bit of wood, give us more room. Let's get these things mounted. All right, guys, so we have the first side splitter on. It took me about 10 or 15 minutes just to figure out exactly how I wanted to do it and how to work the brackets properly. I recommend starting from the front, especially if you have the mud flaps, so that you can butt it right up to the rear of the flap and then it'll sit perfectly. One thing you can see here, the big bracket used in the front, obviously it's like a aluminum color. You can see, so I'm gonna have to try to spray paint that, or honestly I might just take that one off again real quick, and then I'm gonna spray paint it with the other one that I haven't installed yet so that you don't see it. Otherwise, everything else, all the other brackets are pretty much hidden, so you can't really make it out. You don't have to worry about that. Just this one you can see through the gap, so it doesn't look too good. But other than that, the first one is on. Fitment is great. I think it looks really nice. So let's get those brackets painted and we'll get the other side on. All right, guys, so there you have it. The driver's side splitter is on and the project is complete. You can see it looks really nice. I painted the little piece there so you can't even see it. Fitment is great. Perfect length. No problems at all with the install. That side took me about 10 minutes. You can see here, this is where I painted this one. So now it looks better. Gonna give the car a good washing because it needs it desperately. Overall, I think the kit is really nice. The quality is good. Hardware worked out great. I think it looks pretty nice. Now I just gotta get that rear diffuser installed. It should be all set. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys like it. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Thanks for watching.